How to work abroad. Are you dreaming of working abroad in 2025? Let's make that dream a reality with this step-by-step guide. Working abroad can be an exciting and rewarding experience. Here's a general guide to help you get started. 1. Research your desired destination. Visa requirements. Understand the specific visa requirements for your chosen country. Research work visas, temporary work visas, or working holiday visas. Job market. Explore the job market in your desired country. Identify industries with high demand for foreign workers. Cost of living. Research the cost of living, including housing, food, transportation, and health care. Cultural differences. Familiarize yourself with the local culture, customs, and language to ensure a smooth transition. 2. Obtain necessary documents. Passport. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. Visas. Apply for the appropriate visa based on your employment and stay duration. Work permits. If required, obtain a work permit from the immigration authorities of your destination country. Health certificate. Some countries may require a health certificate to prove you are free from certain diseases. Police clearance certificate. A police clearance certificate may be necessary to demonstrate good conduct. 3. Find a job. Online job boards. Utilize international job boards like Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor to search for job openings. Recruitment agencies. Consider working with international recruitment agencies that specialize in placing foreign workers. Networking. Leverage your professional network to connect with people who may have opportunities in your desired country. Direct applications. Research companies in your target country and apply directly to their HR departments. 4. Prepare for the move. Accommodation. Arrange accommodation, either through your employer or by finding a suitable rental. Banking. Set up international banking accounts to manage your finances. Insurance. Obtain comprehensive health insurance and travel insurance to cover potential medical expenses and emergencies. Shipping belongings. Decide what belongings to ship and what to pack in your luggage. 5. Cultural adaptation. Language learning. Learn the local language to communicate effectively and integrate into the culture. Cultural sensitivity. Be respectful of local customs and traditions. Homesickness. Prepare strategies to cope with potential homesickness, such as staying connected with family and friends. Remember, the specific steps and requirements may vary depending on your nationality, chosen country, and the type of work you seek. It's essential to conduct thorough research and plan meticulously to ensure a successful transition. Working abroad is an adventure that can transform your career and life. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tips on living your best life abroad.